Hello. My name is John, and I am here to tell you about commercial truck insurance, things you need. Companies must consider all their options before investing in the commercial truck insurance. Commercial truck insurance premiums are calculated based on various factors. The process of commercial trucking insurance involves the use of pilot experience as the key components to decide. Commercial truck insurance involves some complex financial terms and concepts which can be confusing for some people. For a quick way to get a handful of free trade insurance quotes trucks, simply enter your information in the Get Quote page of the proposed site below. By obtaining a number of insurance quotes for commercial vehicles at the time you have your company's commercial truck insurance fighting over you.